I just don't know how you do what you do. But I gotta give it up to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my acrylic nails at home, and I'm going to be using the Kiss Complete Salon Acrylic Kit, and I did get this from Walmart for $15. And I'm going to show you guys what it comes in the kit. Of course, you get your acrylic powder, you get your nail primer, also some apple fresh to help the acrylic not smell so strong. You also get your liquid monomer, your nail glue, some nail forms that I'm not going to be using in this video. You also get a little bowl to put your liquid in, which is really nice. You also get a nail buffer. And then in this bottom drawer here, you do get a nail file. And also a brush to go ahead and apply your acrylic with. And you also get a cuticle pusher. And also you get nails. You also get white ones and you get clear ones. And this is me acting like I'm reading the instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to start by roughing up my nails a little bit. I'm not being as rough as it looks, but it's just going to make the nails last a little bit longer. And now I'm going back with my cuticle pusher, and I'm just going to expose any new growth that I have. And now I'm going to go in and start picking out the size that I need. So when picking out your nails, you want to make sure that you're not making them too big or too small. But if they are a little bit bigger, it's better if you just go in and file it. Because if you go ahead and use nails that are too small, you're going to get some lifting really, really quick. So just keep that in mind when you're picking out your nails. You guys, I'm no professional, okay? This is my first time doing acrylic nails at home, and I'm low-key kind of obsessed, okay? So you're going to be seeing a lot of nail videos here on my channel. I am going to be buying some professional items, and I'm about to be doing these nail videos, so stay tuned for that. And now I'm going ahead and applying the glue, and I'm going to go ahead and put the nail right on top of my nail. And I did apply the nails a little bit, like halfway down my nails, maybe about 25% down my nails. And then I'm just going ahead and gluing all my nails on. And I did use the clear nails, I did not use the white ones. And I'm just going ahead and pressing them down just to make sure that they are stuck and they're not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my nails. You guys, these nails were flying everywhere, okay? So just go ahead and make sure you have like a actual nail clipper when you do this. It'll make it a lot easier than using scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and file them a little bit just to make it easier later after I apply the acrylic. So I don't have to do as much filing. I am going to go for a little bit for a more narrow shape, but not necessarily coffin shape. And I'm just going to go in and buff it a little bit just to help the acrylic nail adhere better with my fake nail, just so it's a better transition and not that harsh line across the top. And now I'm going in with my nail primer and putting that only on my natural nail. And now we're going to go ahead and get started, okay? I'm going to go ahead and pour my liquid monomer in there. And I put about 5 drops of this apple stuff. Honestly, it still stunk up my house for a good 5 days. It did not smell like apples. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting the acrylic onto my nail. And I'm just going to say, you guys, this is not as easy as you may think it is. I do think the first nail I messed up on because I wasn't moving as fast as I should have, so it began to dry. So you'll see as I go along that I'll be moving a lot faster because I learned my lesson pretty early on in the video. So like I said, you want to work pretty fast. I use about 2 to 3 beads on each finger. Some of the fingers I did only use 2. And this is what the nails look like. I think they came out pretty cute. They're not as lumpy as I thought they would be. Not too bad for my first time. So now I'm going to go in and start filing the nails. I'm going to admit, guys, this was the thing that I struggled the most with, was filing the nails. I do wish I had an e-file. I do have one coming in the mail from Amazon. But yeah, you just want to make sure you go ahead and file your nails so they're not all lumpy and looking crazy. And now I'm just going in and buffing them to make sure they're nice and smooth over the top. And this is what my nails look like after they're filed and buffed. Not too bad. I'm actually pretty happy with them. They actually look really cute. So now I'm just going in and going to polish my nails. And this is my IBD base coat. I'm just going to speed through this because this did not come with the kit. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through painting my nails. And now I'm just going to apply some polish right over top. And I do always do pink nails. I am going to experiment more with a little bit of color. But for now, we're just going to stick with the pink. And remember, you guys, you want to do nice, even, thin layers. And I do 3 coats on my nails. And this is the final look, you guys. I think they actually came out really cute. Like, a lot of people thought I went to the nail salon, but nope, I did these at home for $15, you guys. So I'm really happy. If you guys want to see any more nail videos, please subscribe to my channel because, you guys, I'm telling you, the nail videos are coming, okay? Designs, everything. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.